draw more Sesame Street characters. We're drawing Oscar and Grover, okay? So let's start with Oscar. Do you know where Oscar lives?
Trash can.
Trash can. So let's draw a trash can here, okay? Let's start from the bottom of the trash can. So we don't draw too big or too small. So here's the bottom of the trash can. Okay, so now we know how big it is. And we're gonna draw the trash can here on the left side and the right side. Okay. I'm gonna add a couple lines to the trash can. Okay, so here's a line here.
1, 2.
Here's a line here. Okay. Here's a line here. Yeah. And then we're gonna draw the bottom base here. Here's a little bit base. Okay, go ahead and add your lines to your trash can. Okay, lines are straight, okay? Alright, we're gonna draw one line here, stop. We're gonna draw an oval here. That's his hand. Okay, very good. And then we're gonna draw the line across to the middle here, stop. And then we're gonna draw his other hand, okay? He's always looking over the trash can.
I think this trash can belongs to him.
It is, it's his house. And then we're gonna connect that.
Trash can in his house. I never lived in trash can before.
Yeah. Okay, then we're gonna draw.
I know what Oscar eats.
Okay,
Trash.
we're gonna draw the bottom of his face. Okay, so let's do a curved line like that. And a curved line like this. Okay, and now we're gonna connect that with his mouth. Okay, it's a long straight line that curves down. Curves like this. And then on top of that, we have his eyes. Okay, so let's draw his eyebrow first. From his hand, go up to here. We're gonna do this. Okay, same thing on this side. From his hand, go all the way up. We'll do another curve, okay? We're gonna make it very thick. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. And I'm gonna follow the curve, okay? Follow the curve and connect them. And then we'll color that in. Inside the line, okay? You go outside the line, you won't look at the eyebrow anymore. Now we're gonna draw his eyes, okay? His eyes are connected to his eyebrows, like this.
That's a really big eye.
Yeah. And his pupil, his eyes black in the middle. And then we're gonna draw the trash can lid, okay? It's on top of his head. Straight line. Straight line, we're gonna make it really thick. Okay? And that has a handle on it. So the handle is in the middle. Okay? Like a rainbow. Very good. Good job. And now we're gonna connect his head. Okay, so from here, down here, from here, down here.
Oscar's angry.
Yeah. Alright.
Dad throwing too much trash.
Yes. He's running out of space. Now we're gonna draw Grover, okay? Grover is a little bit easier because he doesn't live in a trash can. So near the top here, we're gonna draw his nose. It's a circular nose right here. Okay.
I'm gonna do this circle.
Okay. And then his eyes are attached to his nose. Okay, so they're kind of like an egg but curved downward. Okay, so we're gonna do curved downward. Okay. Good job. Okay. And then we're gonna draw his. So the black part is near the top. Okay. So near the top here, on the right, on the left. A little bit darker. Okay. Circle, 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 circle. There we go. Make that one bigger. Yeah. And then we're gonna draw his mouth. He's got a big, thick mouth. Okay, so we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna draw it into a rectangle, okay?
I think he's scared.
That's it. Oh, he's smiling. And now we'll draw his chin. So it's gonna be connected with an oval like this. It's like a moon shape, okay? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, very good. And then we'll draw the top, okay? The top is like a hamburger.
Top is like hamburger.
Yeah.
It looks like a hamburger Grover.
And then we'll draw his body, a rectangle. And we're gonna do 3 lines for his leg, okay? His legs are closed. And then his foot. Round. His foot is round. Okay? Very good. And then we'll draw his arm. Her hand. Arm. Hand. Hand. Yep, let's go over. All right, let's color them.